Are you tired of endlessly tweaking knobs to get a better sound? Are you tired of messy mixes, dry and not full enough sound? We introduce to you the mixing sauce for Ableton. 7 effect racks that will clean the mud, make your instruments sound amazing and spacious. The mixing sauce consists of Anti Mud Compressor, Drum Master, Vocal Master, Synth Master, Bass Master, Mid-Side Fix, and the ultimate space reverb and delay. Each of the racks has been designed to be easy to use. You'll be able to improve your sound instantly just by turning a couple of knobs. Just choose the rack based on the sound you use. Drums, vocals, synths, basses. Each of these instruments has its own rack created differently. If you're struggling with muddy mixes, then Anti Mud Compressor is all you need. Filling the space in the mix is also really important. That's where the ultimate space comes in. Each effect has 8 knobs that allow you to fully control the sound. Get the pack at oversampled.us.